Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I am doing a protective style and these are the products that I'm using. I'm using the lock method that I normally use for my wash and goes, and then I'll show you guys the tools that I'm going to be using and then the extra products that I'll be using towards the end. Alright guys, so let's get started. So today's hairstyle, I'm going for a deep side part. I normally love my French braids to the side, so that's how I'm going to apply it, and then you guys will see me to try to make the part towards the back as straight as possible. Okay, so now that I have my part, I'm going to section off half of my head. You guys will see me show you the part towards the back. It is not the straightest part, but it's going to work for me. My first steps that I'm going to do with this hair, I'm going to do the lock method, which is the liquid oil cream. And then you guys will see me put my hair into sections. Alright, so as I'm moisturizing my hair, I'm making sure that I'm splitting it within sections, and I'm making sure that I'm moisturizing my scalp and the hair between to make sure that my hair lay as flat as possible. Okay, so the most important part is putting gel around the perimeter of your head to make sure that your braids are slick and to make sure that it has that clean look. If you guys do not want to use gel, you guys can use a jam or you guys can use any type of conditioner, but of course you guys will have to lay your hair down. Okay, so now that I have all the products within inside my hair, you guys see me brushing the gel within my hair to make sure that it's going to lay as flat as possible. Now I'm going to go in with my comb to make sure that I can start my braid. I don't know why, I really can't start my braid with my nails, but this is easy for me. So if you guys cannot braid, you guys can try to use the comb to help you guys to start your braid. And then all I'm doing is just feeding my hair within the French braid so you guys can watch. Okay, so now that I'm towards the end of my hair, you guys see me clearing it out just to make sure that my hair is as clean and as neat as possible. The braid will not look smooth if your hair is not cleared out. Towards the end, you guys see me putting product there because I am not bringing the braid all the way down. I'm going to do a finger coil. For me, for my hair and my style to have some type of character, I want to do a finger coil to make it look, you know, voluptuous. Okay, so now that I'm done with one side, you guys see my finger coil. Look at the length, honey. Now I'm going to go in with some Eco Styler gel, and I'm going to put some gel and wrap my fingers and do a finger coil towards the front of my hair. And then the same exact thing that I do on one side, I'm going to repeat it, and I'm going to do the same exact thing on the other side. Okay, so my style is done. I'm going in to lay my edges. The edge control that I'm using today is the Edge Booster Edge Control. Honestly, I love this for my hair and it does not leave a white cast. So you guys just see me going in with the toothbrush and making sure that my edges are laid and the front of my part is clean. And all you guys can do is just swoop or make some baby hairs and you guys are good to go. Alright y'all, so that is it for this hairstyle. Honestly, it is still drying, of course. I could either leave it like this. There's different styles that you guys can do this with. I should possibly do a video with that. But I'm about to tie this down with my silk hair scarf and I'm gonna be out for it today. I'm going to work. I think I'm gonna leave it down. I don't know. I was honestly planning on letting it be a protective style for real and like wrap it with the bobby pins. But I guess I can always do that style tomorrow because I want to put like some clips in there. So I guess I'll leave it down for today. I'll wrap it up to make sure that it is laying. I'm going to apply some extra gel on the parts that I see that's like, you know, rising up. But I need to put some oil on my part. Some wild growth oil, or I could put some Jamaican black castor oil. Hold on now. I'm gonna put this on my part. Yeah, get in there. Okay. And then I'm going to tie my hair scarf, and that is it for this video. Y'all, thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe this video out to your friends. Let them know about Mesha Curlz and what she's doing on this channel. Of course, it is summertime, so you guys will see me doing a lot of protective hairstyles for the pool, the beach, any activity for your natural hair for within this summer. Y'all, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Stay tuned for the vlogs. Honestly, I've been filming the vlogs more often, but I'll still do my sip tea Sundays, of course, because I have a topic that I want to try on my hair and it'll be a journey. So of course you guys will see a sip tea Sunday soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys on Sunday. So make sure you like, comment, share once again, and I will see y'all later.